This 2006 Monaco Signature 45 Castle 4 offers you the high-tech and high-style luxury you've been dreaming about. As you take control of the Cummins ISX 600 horsepower engine, with Allison 4000 6-speed transmission, you'll have every imaginable advanced system at your fingertips. Once you arrive at your destination, and begin to open up the cabin, you'll marvel at the spacious interior. This coach also has plenty of protected exterior storage, with insulated aluminum baggage doors, and slide-out trays on the pass-through compartments. You'll have a commanding view of the road, and with all the advanced systems at your control, you'll also have a heightened perception of every aspect of the coach's performance. Back inside, the floors gleam with high-gloss tile, beautifully enhanced by the unique radius ceiling design and the impeccable ambience of halogen lighting. Comfort awaits you in the leather-heated cockpit seats with 6-way power controls, memory capabilities, adjustable armrests and electric headrests. With multiple storage areas above, the woodwork reflects true craftsmanship, hardwood raised panel cabinet doors and decorative hardwood slide-out trim throughout the interior. The kitchen features a massive Korean branded solid surface countertop and stainless steel appliances. Storage and pantry compartments are everywhere. There is no wasted space anywhere in this luxurious coach. The stylish Maytag French door refrigerator with freezer drawer down below has enough space to keep you well stocked on all of your adventurous travels. A decorative glass splash guard separates the living room side from the kitchen countertop and complements the dripless edge, integrated sink. Flush mount covers also hide the recessed high-output 2-burner cooktop with decorative ceramic tile backsplash in the galley. Continuing on into the hallway, you'll find a step-up residential shower area on the right. Behind the glass door is a luxurious space featuring a skylight for a natural ambience during daylight hours, volume control shower head and convenient soap caddy. With an aqua hot heating and water purification system, you'll enjoy every moment you spend in this beautifully decorated shower, with tile accents. Across the hall, on the right, you will find a pair of louvered doors that open up to give you easy access to the stacked Bosch washer and dryer units. Further and on your right, you will find a separate vanity area with superior lighting and an ample amount of space for freshening up. There is a large Korean countertop with an integrated sink, beveled edge mirrors on the overhead cabinets with lots of storage space, recessed lighting underneath, and a decorative tile backsplash. Opposite the vanity area is a private, enclosed half bath with a matching integrated sink counter, with lighting controls below, mirrored vanity above, all opposite the toilet and storage linen cabinet on the left. The rear bedroom is separated by a sliding door that completely isolates the luxurious private quarters from the rest of the coach. The intricately mirrored ceiling design, with inset lighting, flows into the decorative overhead cabinetry and queen-size bed. There is a spacious wardrobe with sliding mirror doors, and the nightstand area also features a remarkable entertainment control center. You have a dresser with raised panel drawer faces, and a flat-screen TV at the foot of the bed. Here, you will enjoy every lavish detail, all with optimum residential comfort and styling in mind. Heading back forward into the main living and entertainment area, you'll find a 49-inch drop-down TV with a fully automatic digital satellite system, and premium built-in surround sound. The powered window blinds and solar shades ensure that you'll have total privacy from the outside. Leading the way in performance, comfort and safety, this 2006 Monaco Signature 45 Castle 4 is truly poetry in motion.